In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can deactivate your Snapchat account temporarily. So what you have to do first, you have to go to on Snapchat. After going to Snapchat, what you need to do, you have to click on this your profile icon. After going to your profile, you have to click on this settings option in the top right corner, just like this. Then you have to scroll all the way down, just like this, and you have to find the option called I need help. Okay, here is the option I need help. You have to click on this. After clicking on this, you can see here is an option called search. You have to click on search bar icon. Then you have to type a option called deactivate. Okay. After typing deactivate, you can see here is an option called how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. You have to click on it. Then what you can see, you will land a page just like here, just like this. After landing on this page, you can see has two options. For Android users, you have to click on this option, and for Apple users, you have to click on this option. So I am using an Android, that's why I am clicking on this option just like here. After clicking on this, you may have to log in into your Snapchat account. Then you will land a page just like this. After landing on this page, you can see here is an option called logout and delete my account. You have to click on this option, delete my account. To deactivate temporary your Snapchat account, you have to put your password here. I'm doing mine. Okay, just like this. Then here you can see here is the trick that after doing this, you have to click on continue. After clicking on continue, your Snapchat account will be moved on deletion on the server. So before 30 days, you have to re-log in into your Snapchat account to prevent deletion of your account. So to temporarily deactivate your account, you have to re-log in before 30 days. So this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Snapchat account on your mobile phone. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.